Great.
So I looked online for a number of different window companies. We had a few out. We had huge variations in the quoting. And so we asked for some references from some folks around the neighborhood that had had windows installed, and others had used Zen Windows, and that's how I came upon them. So went online, I got a quote within 15 minutes and had a couple of phone conversations with them, and from there it was reasonable, not pushy like some of the other salespeople, and so we decided to go with Zen based off of the references and the conversations that we had.
Mm-hmm. How about the installation? Did that go well?
Yeah, in fact, I was a little nervous about that, so I didn't get to be in town when the install happened and had to have our nanny here for the install, and they showed up on time, got all the windows out and the new ones in. We had 23 windows done all in one day, and the second day they were able to come do all the trim work on the outside. So 2 days and it was all complete. They spent quite a bit of time, just attention to detail with our patio door downstairs and with these big windows replacing some of the trim outside. So,
Have you noticed any difference in the short time that you've had the windows?
well, it's been tried with some major storms, and we had a lot of fogging and damage with our other windows, so it's been huge improvement just from curb appeal, but also with what we're dealing with the weather, it's been much better.
Great. Thank you very much.